So today we are going to talk about digital products and how to sell those on Etsy. Can you do that? Yes, you can. Etsy provides you a chance to upload 25 megabyte of files, zip files, to their Etsy store, and I think 4 parts. So all in all, 100 megabyte can a product be big, and then you can sell them and customer can purchase it, and after the purchase is finished they can directly download it from the website from Etsy. So this is at no extra cost to you. They are going to give you the web space and tell you just limit the amount of data you can upload. But there's always a way around it. You can also give them a PDF file with a link to your Dropbox or to your Google Drive or to your own server, and they can download from there if your file is much larger. So yes, you should sell digital products on Etsy. They are at no risk to you. You can create digital products on your computer, and if you are in that space and you are not creating things by hand, then this might be a way for you to get started, because creating digital products is at no cost. You can just create them on the computer, and most likely you already have the software you need, and if not, there is most likely a free version of whatever, and you can use that. You can get familiar with that and create your own product, upload it on Etsy and sell it there. Whatever you do, just make sure it has 100% quality. So don't put together a crappy product people cannot use or maybe not use and print it out and it's blurry. Then more likely than not, you won't sell a lot of stuff, because then people will simply look for someone else. I'm sorry to say that, but most likely that is what will happen. So make sure your product, whatever it is, has an outstanding quality. It's not just when you create it by hand in your office or somewhere. It's also when you create it digitally on your computer. And digital products have some huge advantages over stationary products, right? They don't have to be stored somewhere. You don't have to buy products to create it. And if they are not selling, you have wasted time, but most likely you did not waste any resources and therefore no money. So digital products have a lot of advantages if you sell those instead of other products. So here is the point. When you try, it's not about you can just sell digital products on Etsy. Of course, you can sell whatever you are going to create, but digital products have some huge advantages, and you should keep those in mind. If you can create a digital product from your product, you should do that. So, for example, if you're creating art prints or you're drawing, you love to draw, why not digitalize this product and have someone else print it and deliver that to your customer, or even better, deliver the digital file and the customer can print it how often he or she wants. I know there is some risk involved in people sharing your files, yes, but for you the risk is much lower when people share a file, instead of you having to purchase lots of stuff and making that sell. So the reason why you should maybe switch to digital products are good ones. If you don't want to, that's fine. Of course, you just need to know that the risk is slightly higher than with digital products. So think about it, and the margin is also very high. So if you have created your digital product once, it's there forever. It sits there and can be sold forever, over and over again. On the other hand, if you are selling some goods, you have to create it again and again and again before you can sell again. So it's much better to sell an instruction than selling the actual product. For example, if you're crocheting, if you crochet a little something and you sell that one, it's great and people will love it. But if you sell the instruction on how people can crochet themselves, you're most likely much better. You just have to create it once and then you sell it over and over again, instead of you creating the same product over and over again. So whenever someone purchases, you have to sit down and start crocheting, and maybe you don't want to, or you are ill, or you have family duties, or whatever, you have to. When you have a customer, you have to do that. So think about it. Think if what is for you, if that is more a digital product or if it's a stationary product, whatever it is, just know the advantages and disadvantages of selling these kind of stuff.